Hi everyone, welcome all for today's session. So today IBPS Clerk Prelims Mock Test 13 paper explanation. So in this first we will discuss reasoning section. So we have first 5 questions on a puzzle. A company starts recruitment for content developer post by taking exam on different subjects: Hindi, chemistry, English, physics, computer and math are scheduled to be held on different days of same week, starting from Sunday and ending on Saturday. So here the days are given. Okay, there is one day off in the recruitment process. But that day is not Sunday. Okay, so I'm taking the first days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So Sunday is not off. It's given Sunday is not off. It is not off. Next, physics exam is scheduled 3 days before the Hindi exam. So physics is held 3 days before the Hindi exam. Physics is held 3 days before. 3 days before the Hindi exam. Okay. Next, physics is scheduled. There is only 2 exams held between Hindi exam and math exam. Between Hindi and what is given? Please see here. Between physics, first thing, physics exam is scheduled 3 days before the Hindi exam. If Hindi is here, physics is scheduled 3 days before. So here we have physics. Next, physics exam is scheduled. There is only 2 exams between Hindi and maths. There are only 2 exams between Hindi and maths. So it can be like this. There are only 2 exams and there is a holiday also. Let me see. Physics exam is scheduled after maths exam. So physics is after math means, so like this maths. English exam is not scheduled on Sunday. English is not on Sunday. It is not English. Next, English exam is not scheduled on Sunday or not on Friday also. Chemistry exam is scheduled immediate before off day. So when there is an off day, before that there is chemistry. Next, off day is not on Friday. This is also not off day. There is only one exam held between off day and computer exam. There is only one half day. So you can say here maths, physics, 2 days in between, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So maths is not here. So we have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Hindi is 5th one. That is Hindi is Thursday. You can fix here. And before that, third day, 1, 2, 3 was physics. Physics is before physics you have maths. Before physics you have only one day, Sunday. It is not off or not English. So it is definitely given as maths, because maths is before physics. This is the only one chance. Now this is not English, this is not off. Now chemistry exam is scheduled immediately before off day. Chemistry is scheduled before off day. Is it so? Chemistry is scheduled before off day. It is possible. Next, Hindi and maths. There are 2 exams. two exams. So one has to be off. Between Hindi and Maths, there are only two exams. So the off has to be any of these two, because it is given between Hindi and Maths, there are only two exams. One is Physics, and these two, out of these two, one should be off. So off, and Chemistry is like this. So we can fix like this, and then the remaining are now English and Computers. If it is not English, then English would be this one, Saturday, and Friday would be Computers, the remaining one. So this is the final arrangement. I hope it is clear. Now see the questions. On which of the following day is scheduled off day? Off day is on Wednesday. So answer is option E. Next. On which of the following day is English exam scheduled? Saturday. Next. Which of the following combination is true? Saturday Hindi wrong, Monday Math correct. Correct. So option B is correct. Am I correct or not? Monday Maths or Physics. So Sunday is Maths. Sunday is Maths. Monday is Physics. Monday is Physics. Second day is Physics. First day is Sunday. First day is Sunday. Sunday is Maths. Next. On Friday, which exam is held? Computers. Next. How many exams are scheduled between Physics and Math? Maths and Physics are consecutive days on Sunday and Monday. So there are no exam. There are no exam between Physics and Maths. Now please see here, symbol coding. Different digits are given, symbols are given. If the first as well as the last digit is odd, then both are to be coded as the code of the digit. The code of the digit. The first as well as the last digit is odd. Okay, then both are to be the code of the first digit. Code of the first digit. So see here, if the first letter is consonant and the last digit is divisible by 2, then both are to be coded as plus. If the first letter is vowel and the last digit is number, the code of the first and the last elements are to be interchanged. Now please see here question number 6. Question number 6. Here WA6Z M8. Here second condition is applied. If the first letter is a consonant and the last digit is divisible by 2, then both are to be coded as plus. So this is plus, this is plus. So plus plus both options we have 2. So this is not correct. So if you observe here, A means what? A means end. So this is the answer. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, AZ1X17. So if you see here, which condition is applicable here? First one is a first letter is a vowel and the last digit is a odd number. Then the code of the first and last elements are to be interchanged. Actually 7 is this one, and A is which one? End. So here you will get end, here you will get this symbol. So this is there in which option? Option B. Option B. So option B only we have. Option B only this kind of A symbol and end. No other option. So answer is B. Now 8th one. First one, last one. Both are odd. Then both are to be coded as the code of the first digit. First digit is 5 here. 5 is delta symbol. Both have to be delta. Both are delta only for first option. So option, that is the answer. Next one. E6ZA6. So E is actually, what is E? E is greater than. E is greater. So the regular codes have to be written, and 6 is what? This symbol. Okay. So you have this symbol, that is option C is correct. Option C is correct. Next, first is a vowel, last is a odd. So condition 3. So the what codes are interchanged. I is actually mu. Mu comes last. And 5 is actually delta. So delta comes first, mu goes last. It is there only in option B. So answer is option B. Next. Now if you see 10 to 11 to 15, the questions are based on syllabus. 11 to 13. So some rulers are parex. Some rulers are parex. No crow is black. No crow is black. All parrots are black. All parrots are black. No crow is black. No crow is black. Between these two, there is no relation. But C and R can have. Now, the first one. Some rulers are not crows. Some rulers are not crows. Even if it is having intersection also, it is correct. Now, second one. Some blacks can never be rulers. Some blacks can never be rulers is wrong. Right? So, answer is only one. Answer is only one. Now, question number 12. All cocks are frogs. All C are F. Next. All cakes are mugs. Some cakes are cocks. Some cakes are cocks. Okay. And all cakes are mugs. All cakes are mugs. Some mugs are cocks. True. Some frogs are not mugs. Some frogs are not mugs. In this case, true. But these two can have intersection. The entire thing can go inside. This entire thing can go inside all together. So in this case, it does not apply. So answer is only one. Only one. Now next one. Question number 13. Some cups are buckets. Some buckets are pencils. Some pencils are cups. So some cups are buckets. Some buckets are pencils. Some pencils are cups. Now, all pencils can be cups and buckets. Yes, it is correct. Correct. All pencils can be buckets. Correct. Because it can also be like this. Like this. So, both are correct. Both are correct. Now, question number 14 to 18. Again, based on one more puzzle. 8 persons A, C, E, G, I, K, M, O are seated around a circular table. 3 of them are facing center and the rest are facing outward center, but not necessarily in the same order. E6 second to the right of A. E6 second to the right of A. C is not an immediate neighbor of A and E. A is facing opposite direction to the one of his immediate neighbor. O6 third to the right of A. C is not an immediate neighbor of G. O6 second to the right of K. G6 third to the right of M. C and I face the same direction as G. C does not sit opposite to both E and A. E faces same direction as K. Now please see here, let's use possibilities and take the things. Totally 8 persons are there now. What is given here? E6 second to the right of A. Let me consider A is facing center. A can face inside center or outside center. I am consider one possibility, A facing inside center, the first possibility. When A is facing inside center and it is given that E6 second to the right of A. E6 second to the right of A means E has to be here. E has to be here. Now, O6 third to the right of A. O6 third to the right of A means this is O. Next, C is not an immediate neighbor of G. O6 second to the right of K. O6 second to the right of K O6 second to the right of K means if K is here, then K is facing outwards. If K is here, K is for facing towards center. K is facing towards center. G6 third to the right of M. G6 third to the right of M. C and I face the same direction as G. C doesn't sit opposite to both E and A. C doesn't sit opposite to, C is not here and C is not here also. Okay. And then E faces same direction as K. E faces same direction as K means I have taken K facing center. This one also is facing center. Three of them are facing outside. 3 are facing outside means 5 are facing inside. So here now we got these 3 people facing inside, and it is given that C and I face the same direction as G. So C and I face the same direction as G. So again C, I, G have to face same direction. Already A, K, E are inside. So C, I, G must be outside, because if these 3 also face inside, total we get 6. C does not sit both opposite to both E and A. E faces same direction as K. It is over. C is not an immediate neighbor of A. C is not an immediate neighbor of A or E. So definitely C has to be here. C has to be here. This is the only place left for C. And C is facing outwards. C is facing outwards. Because C, I and G face same direction. Next, what else we have? A is facing opposite direction to his immediate neighbor. A is facing opposite direction to immediate neighbor. So immediate neighbor is facing outside. And who is that? Please see if anything else is given. O6 third to the right of A. C is not an immediate neighbor of G. C is not an immediate neighbor of G also. So it cannot be G. So it must be G. Now O6 second to the right of K. Satisfied. G6 third to the right of M. G6 third to the right of M means you need to have M here, and M is facing inside. When M is facing inside, this will be his right. So first right, second right, third right is G satisfied. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, where we have I here, this is going to be I. C, G and I. C, G, I are facing outside. The remaining are facing inside only, because 5 members inside. Now who among the following 6 opposite to E? Opposite to E we have I. Next, what is the position of M with respect to K? M with respect to K, third to the right. Then 16th one. How many persons 6 between C and A when counted from A's anti-clockwise? When counted from A's anti-clockwise, how many persons 6 between C and A? What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is here C, 4. Question number 17. 4 of the following 5 belong to a group which does not belong to the group. AO, MK, GI, AM and EC. So which is different here? EC. EC are different. EC is different. Okay. Next. Who among the following 6 immediate right of I? Immediate right of I is C. So option C. Next here. How is K? There is a question based on blood relation here. It is given that B is the husband of A and E is the sister of G. E is the sister of G. D is the husband of Q. D is the husband of Q, who is daughter-in-law of A. So what does it mean? A and B are married couple. Their son is D. Okay, their son is D, and D is married to Q. D is married to Q. D is the husband of Q. D is the husband of Q, who is the daughter-in-law of A. A's daughter-in-law is Q. J has only one child. J has only one child, who is K. J is the brother-in-law of Q. J is the brother-in-law of Q means J is the brother of D. And J has only one child, K. One child, K. D is the brother-in-law of G. D is the brother-in-law of G means these two are going to be siblings. Yes or no? Now next, that's it. This is the information we have. Here G's gender is not known and K's gender is not known. B is the husband, so A is wife. Next, how is K related to B? How is K related to B? K related to B, it can be the gender is not known, grandson or granddaughter, but gender is not known, so answer cannot be determined. Now question number 20. How is J related to A? J related to A. J is the son of A. J is the son of A. Next, question number 21 to 25. P dollar Q means P is greater than or equal to. P is greater than or equal to Q. P at the rate Q means P is neither smaller than nor equal to, means P is greater P is greater than or equal to Q is P dollar Q. P at the rate Q means neither smaller than nor equal to, means P greater than Q. So P hash Q neither greater than nor equal to, so P is less than Q. Now P rho Q means here neither greater than nor smaller than, means P is equal to Q. Now P is smaller than Q. P is less than Q. This is what is given. Now please see the questions. H at the rate T. H at the rate means what? H at the rate. At the rate means actually H greater than T. T slash T hash F. T hash F means T less than F. F delta E. F delta E means F is equal to E. E star V means E less than V. E less than V. E less than V. So if you E less than V. So what is the answer? Now we have the first one, V dollar F. V dollar F means what? V dollar F means V greater than or equal to F. V greater than or equal to F. T slash V means what? T slash V means T what? T less than. T slash F means T less than V. So if you observe here, V greater or equal to F, is it correct or not? VE we have. What is E star V? Not smaller than or equal to, smaller than or equal to, this one. So see here, E star V. E star V means E less than or equal to V, so V greater than or equal to E. And E is equal to F. So you can say V greater or equal to F is correct. T less than V. So T less than F. T less than F. F is equal to E. E less than or equal to V. So T less than V is also correct. So here both 1 and 2 are correct. So option E is correct. Option E is correct. Like this, we have to form the like inequalities, and for every question we have to do like this. For 22, the is only second one is correct. Okay, I am just giving the answer keys because again we have to do the same thing for all the things. See, for 23rd question, it is what? Neither one nor two, both do not follow. You have to form the what? Inequalities. And in one page we have inequalities, the other page we have questions. I am just skipping it, and see here now 24th one. 24th one, it is also neither one nor two, both are not going to follow. Okay, now 25th one, it is only two follows. 25th one, what? Only two follows, only second follows. Now 26 to 30, please see. 8 friends A, B, C, D, K, L, M, N are sitting in a straight line but not necessarily in the same order. So here we have how many people? 8 persons on a line. 8 friends are sitting in a straight line but not necessarily in the same order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, totally 8. Now some of them are facing north and some of them are facing south. C6, third to the left of N. K6, fifth to right of C. Neither C nor K6 at any of the extreme ends. So this is not C, not K. This is also not C, not K. B6, second to the left of D. D faces south. D faces south. K and D are not immediate neighbors. More than 3 persons sits between A and M. More than 3 persons sits between A and M. L6, immediate right of D. Immediate neighbors of D as well as K are facing same direction. A and C are not immediate neighbors. A and C are not immediate neighbors. Not more than 2 persons facing the same direction. Not more than 2 persons facing the same direction sit near to each other. Persons sitting extreme ends facing same direction. Facing same direction. So these two are same direction. M faces opposite direction of N. Now please see here what it is given that D is facing south. D is facing south. Is there anything else mentioned here? C6 third to the left of. C6 third to the left of N. C6, C is not here. If I am taking C here, C is third to the left of N. C is third to the left of N means, so if N is here, first left, second left, third left. So if both are facing north, it is satisfied. C6 third, one possibility. K6 fifth to the right of C. K6 first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So K is here. Okay. Now C and K are not at the extremes. This is one possibility. Next, the other thing, please observe what is given. D faces south. D faces south. B6 second to the left of D. 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 Next, D faces south. K and D are not immediate neighbors. So D cannot be here. D cannot be here. So if I take what D here, if I take D here, so D is not here, not here. If I take, for example, D here, okay, D is facing south. D is facing south. D is facing south. So it is given that K6 fifth to right of C, B6 second to the left of D. So B6 second to the left of D means the possibility that I have with this is not D, I have fixed D here. So now B has to be here. B has to be here. And what else we have? K and D are not immediate neighbors. K and D are not immediate neighbors. Satisfied. Next, B6 to the left of D satisfied. More than 3% 6 between A and M. More than 3% 6 between A and M. A and M. Can it be A and M? Can it be A and M? More than 3. So this can be ARM, ARM, or this can be ARM, ARM. Next, L6 immediate right of D. It is given that L6 immediate right of D. L6 immediate right of D, not more than 2 persons, not more than 2 persons facing same direction, sit near to each other, sit near to each other, person sitting at extreme ends facing same direction. Now A and C are not immediate neighbors, so it is not C, it is M, it has to be A. Okay, the persons are arranged. If you see their directions, A and C are not immediate neighbors of D, immediate neighbors of D, okay, as well as K, as well as K facing same direction, facing same direction. So now how many are facing north? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is given that some of them are facing now. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 are facing north. Now what about B? If you observe here, not more than 2 persons facing same direction, facing same direction, sit near to each other, sit near to each other. So here B must be facing south, B must be facing south. Now what else we have? This is not L. What else we have? M faces opposite direction of N. N is facing north. So M is A is facing, M is facing, M faces opposite direction of N means M is south. M and A faces same direction. So A is also south. This is the final arrangement. Now who among the following persons sits to the immediate left of L? Who is the immediate left of L? It is C. So answer is option B. Next. How many persons sits between A and C? Between A and C, how many persons are there? Between A and C we have LD, NB, K. So answer is 5. Answer is 5. Next. If M is related to A, if M is related to A, L is related to B, L is related to B, in the same way D is related to what? D is related to N. Okay. Next. Which of the following statement is true? A6 third to the left of N. A6 third to the left of N. So option D is correct here. Next, how many persons are facing south direction? 4 are facing south direction. 4 are facing north direction. Next, a question based on coding and decoding. So here Ram, the codes are given. So the different words we have: Ram wants to go. Sita looks Shahrukh. Okay. And Delhi. These are the words we have. So how these words are coded? So if you see, Ram is there in first two. In first two, what is common? Ram is common in these two. So RAM is LA. So LA is RAM. Wants is there in the first and here. In these two, what is common? ZA is common. ZA is common in these two. So wants means what? ZA. And to go. So what we have? To and go. To and go we have here. Here we have 2 letters. Common things are not there. Now look Shahrukh. Look Shahrukh. So look Shahrukh also we have 2. Look Shahrukh. Also in this we have. So in this we have DASA. Here also we have DASA. Likewise to go or KAGA. KARGA. It can also be KARGA. And Sita. Sita. Look Shahrukh. Look Shahrukh is DASA. DARSA. We don't know. Okay. And here look DASA if it is over. NA. NA would be Sita. NA would be Sita. Here look Shahrukh. WA. WA. WA will be Delhi. Now which of the following is the code for Delhi? WA. WA. So answer is here option 31. What is the answer? WA. Next. 32. Which of the following is the code for Sita? Sita is NA. Next, which of the code for looks? Looks can be, as I already told you, it can DA or SA. You cannot say anyone. So answer is cannot be determined. Now, point D. So there is a question in direction 34, 35. The last two questions in reasoning are based on directions. Please see here, point A is 3 meter. Point A is 3 meter north of C. This is 3 meter north of C. Now, point B is 9 meter. 9 meter to the east of C. Point F is 9 meter to the south of B. South of B. Point F. Point F. Point C is 5 meters to north of E. North of E. We don't know where point E is. Point E is 4 meters to the west of point D. We don't know where the point west. Point F is 4 meter to the east of point G. East of point G. So here point F is 4 meter to the east of point G. This is what is given. Okay. Now what we have here, point C is 5 meter north of point E. Point C is, this one C, is 5 meter to north of point E. So this is 5 meter. This is E. Okay. And what else we have? Point E is 4 meter to the west of point D. So here somewhere you have D. This is 4 meter. This is what we have. Now point D is in which direction? With respect to point G. Point D with respect to G. Point D with respect to G is what? Northwest. So answer is option A. Then next, what is the shortest distance between G and point A? What is the shortest distance between AG? So if you see, what is this AG is asked? What is this AG is asked? Please see here. This AG, if you see, this is a right angle triangle. So here AG would be what? Hypotenuse root over. What is this? Up to this total is 9. This is 4. So this will be 5. 5 square. And see here, this total is 9. This is 3. 12. 5 square plus 12 square, which is 13. So AG is the shortest distance is using Pythagoras theorem. We have got 13. So answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. So like this, we have also completed this paper reasoning section. So again we will meet with our next paper analysis. Okay. Thank you so much.